Hi, welcome to the quick method. So let's talk about how to get 11 labs for free for life. Yes, you heard me right. I'll be sharing with you a secret technique that I have used and my friends have used, and they are using 11 labs for free for their whole life now. And you will not find this thing on YouTube as much, so I'll be sharing that secret with you. On YouTube you will find two simpler methods which have some restrictions, so those methods will restrict you up to 10,000 words per month, so basically 10 minutes of video per month. So let me share those methods first, and then we will get into that secret method that will help you get and extend those 10,000 minutes to unlimited minutes for life. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. You just have to, and yes, just follow this video and listen to this video till end, and follow this video and you will get 11 labs for free, 100% guaranteed. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so first of all, you have a very simpler option. When you go on Elevenlabs, you have this type of interface, and here they give you a trial for free, so you can just write anything here, and then you can just basically listen to it. So let's say I do that.
Hi there.
So as you can see, it just said what I wrote, and you can basically try out different voices over here. So you have plenty of options, but the thing is that you cannot download this voiceover. Okay, so what you have to do, if you want to download something that you like, basically they want you to sign up. So you have to click here, try for free, and here they take you up to their sign up page. So you can just sign up with Google, or you can write any other email and password and just sign it up. So let me do that with Google. Okay, now okay, so it has been done. Okay, now what you can do is that basically they have different plans, and right now on your left you will see you have a credit quota of 10,000 words per, or 10,000 characters per month. Okay, so let's say if I make 1 minute videos, I'll be able to make only 10 videos, and that's it. And if I want to make a 10-minute long video, so that will be it, and then for that month my minutes will be out. Okay, so talking about the basic options here, you have plenty of options that you can use in this free plan. So basically it is their free plan. So as you can see, let me show you their plans as well. So if I go into the pricing, yeah, so this is the free plan we are using, and here we have still plenty of things that we can work on. So we have 32 languages, we can do automatic dubbing, we can custom create synthetic voices, generate sound effects, and 10 minutes of ultra high quality text to speech that you can download it. Okay, but keep in mind that you have to basically attribute them. So let's say if you're using their free plan, you have to basically attribute them that okay, you have used this from Elevenlabs. Okay, so you can basically use these things over here. Okay, now so these are the methods that YouTubers tell you. So you are basically limited to 10 minutes per month, and then they say that okay, if you want to use more than that, you have to upgrade the plan and pay them the money. So I'm gonna share with you a secret and legit technique that you can use without doing anything unethical. You can just go on a website called temp mail. Okay, so that gives you temporary emails. Okay, so tempmail.org, if you write temp mail, you will just find this website over here. Okay, and it will give you a temporary email address. Now let me show you that how you will be able to get Elevenlabs for free for life. Okay, so as you remember that you have the email you signed up with, you have the limits for 10 minutes, right? So once those 10 minutes are exhausted, you don't want to use that account. You just go into sign out, click it here and just sign it out. Okay, and then go on to your temporary email where you can get infinite emails. You can use as many emails as you want. So just copy that address and get back onto your Elevenlabs. Go to sign up again. Okay, and here you will use that temporary email that you just got, and you can write the password whatever you want. Okay, and then you just sign up. Okay, so yes, now you will have 10 more minutes to use. And let's say you exhausted them in one day. You just come back, you sign up again with a free account, use 10 minutes, then come back. So see, it's almost free for life. Like you can use it as long as you want. So you're doing nothing wrong. You're just using emails and you're going on Elevenlabs again and again with new accounts, and you're getting those 10 free minutes and you are using them in your projects, and boom. That's how you use Elevenlabs for free for life. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing and liking to this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.